Welcome to Soil Nutrient Management. Today we will discuss about phosphorus fertilizers. Phosphatic fertilizers are produced by converting phosphorus mineral into fully water-soluble compound. Rock phosphate and sulfuric acid are raw materials. Nearly half of the total sulfuric acid produced world over is used for manufacturing of phosphatic fertilizers. Rock phosphate is nothing but the rock containing large proportion of phosphate. About 150 minerals containing more than 1% of phosphorus, but the minerals belonging to two groups, namely apatite and aluminium phosphate. Aluminium phosphate contribution to fertilizer usage is very small. In apatite, fluorapatite is a primary source of phosphorus. Phosphorus fertilizers can be classified into three types. Water-soluble monocalcium phosphate, example superphosphate, in that single super, double super and triple super phosphate is there. It is soluble in water, so within a short period of time it is available to plant. Second, citric acid soluble fertilizer. It is not readily soluble in water. It is suitable for acidic soil, example basic slag, silicate of lime and dicalcium phosphate. Citric acid insoluble phosphate or tricalcium phosphate. Here the phosphatic fertilizer are not soluble in water and not soluble in citric acid. Example rock phosphate, raw bone meal and steamed bone meal. Please note here the nutrient content in fertilizer is very important. 90% of phosphorus produced in the form of phosphoric acid fertilizer. So two types of process used for production of phosphoric acid. Furnace process. Here rock phosphate, silica and coke fed into the furnace. It fused and produced elemental form of phosphorus. This again react with the water and oxygen, produce phosphoric acid. Wet process involve disintegration of apatite in a mineral acid to release phosphorus as phosphoric acid. Single superphosphate. This fertilizer is also known as normal superphosphate and ordinary superphosphate. Is the fertilizer first produced industrially and the production started 1843 in England. Production process of SSP is simple and requiring little technical skill, and the single superphosphate supplies two triple superphosphate produced by reacting rock phosphate with the phosphoric acid. It is highly concentrated phosphoric fertilizer. Ammonium phosphates, particularly diammonium phosphates DAP, are the most popular phosphatic fertilizer. It is produced by reacting phosphoric acid plus 2 ammonia, and monoammonium phosphates produced by reacting phosphoric acid with single ammonia. Nitrophosphate, it is produced by treatment of phosphate rock with nitric acid. It has 8% of nitrogen and 16% of phosphorus. Phosphate fertilizer. Basic slag is also called as Thomas slag. It is a byproduct of steel industry, and potassium phosphate are the excellent water soluble compound with a very high nutrient content. Bone meal is a good source of phosphorus in acid soil and it has a slow solubility, so it is used for long-term effect. Rhenania phosphate. It is a thermal phosphate made by mixture of rock phosphate, sodium carbonate and silica. Direct application of phosphate rock. Application of rock phosphate to soil. It is an old practice of many countries, but it is only suitable for acid soil. Please note the nutrient content in fertilizer. Thank you.